Well, it's happened. The cat is out of the bag.
Vet Alliance is no longer the best kept secret in the Canadian veterinary industry.
In fact, if you're an owner or a manager of an independently owned hospital and you're still not a member, I gotta ask, why not?
Success in veterinary medicine is more than understanding the medicine.
Understanding business principles and finances.
Focusing on team development, culture, and human resources, including retention and recruitment.
Optimizing operations, empowering managers and leadership teams, and strategically planning for the future are all really important considerations.
By engaging leaders and empowering them to grow, Vet Alliance ensures that hospitals and their teams can thrive.
We take pride in our innovative CE opportunities and practice services.
And if that wasn't enough, members also benefit from financial rewards and rebates through key industry partners.
It's why we always say that our success is measured by the success of independent hospitals across Canada.
Just like yours.
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 So don't wait.
Visit our booth so that you can be entered to win a draw and pick up some information on how Vet Alliance can impact your practice.
Ruby and I will see you there.
We can't wait to see you.
We look forward to connecting.
We can't wait to meet you.
See you there.
We're looking forward to connecting.
We can't wait to meet you.
Come on, Stitch. You gotta come say hi to everybody.
Okay, go with that. Oh, that's good. Successes.
Hello, pet. Who's my little pet? Okay, now where's the camera? It's on this side, right over here, right underneath that little light.
Yeah.
You want to look at that?
Ready? Well, it's happened. The cat's out of the bag. First take? Come on, get back up here. Come on. Up, up. Up, up. Down. Down.
Okay, lie down. Down. Also lie down. Oh, the drool! Oh, no.
So don't wait. Visit it at... Hold on, Mer. You're doing so well. Okay. Yeah, I know. You got pickles here. You got it. Okay.
Okay, look over here. Oh no!
We can't wait to meet you. Oh, stop. Oh. We can't, so bad.
Veterinary medicine is about more than understanding the medicine. Is the medicine boring? No, it's not. It's super fun. It's what's kept you alive. You should be grateful. Okay, hang on.
Good. Okay, now I'm gonna do a long one, and you can just sit there and look cute, okay? But look over there. Look at that part. Okay, ready?
High five. Sit down. No.
Hello. Are you a Vet Alliance member? No? Can we ask why not? Okay, good.
So don't wait.
Turn you this way. Oh, what just happened? There. You're a star, Stitch. You're on TV.
Good boy. Well, it's happened. The cat's out of the bag. Where? Where did it go? It's okay. It's not a real cat. It's metaphorical. I know you're afraid of them. Come here. I'm sorry about all that ordeal. Okay. Come here, girls. Come here, girls, ladies.
Just like yes.
Just like yours. Okay, you want to say it together? Let's say it. We'll go 1, 2, 3, and then we'll say just like yours. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just like yours. What? Where were you on that?
You're just comfortable now? Seriously?